welcome back. In this video we are going to continue working on our tags. So let's continue, and maybe I'm not sure if we're going to finish our tags in this video because it's kind of long and we kind of have lots of things to do, and I don't want to make one huge video for this. So maybe I will cut it in half. So what we stopped here in the previous video, and what I want you to see first of all is I have a little typo in here. Let's make it submit, not submit, of course, submit, and that's important. And next, let's go into our tag controller. I've deleted the create method. You can leave it like that, but doesn't matter. In the store function, what we basically want to do is to validate our slug. So let's say $this, and let's say validate, and the request $request, and we need to have an array of it consists of the name, and the name should be a max of it needs to be required, and yes, basically wait a minute, shift, it need to be inside of this, it need to be required, and it need to be a max of 255 because it's a string. So basically this is it for the validation. And let's say right here, create a new tag, a new instance of a tag equals new tag, and in here let's say $tag name, the name of the tag, equals to the name from the request we're sending to this method. So basically $request with the name, and we can save this $tag and save, not this, and let's see, return. We need to redirect the users, so let's say return redirect, and let's redirect them to the route of tags.index, tags.index. Basically, let's see if we made a little mistake. Everything is okay. Tags name required, max of 255 tags. We are saving it. We're redirecting into this route. Okay, it looks fine. In our show method, what we basically need to do is to show the method. We need to return the view. So $tag equals the tag that we are receiving from this ID. $tag is tag, and find by the ID, $ID, and let's see, $ID, and return a view of this. Let's say tags dot show with compact with the tag. So it looks fine, compact with the tag. In the edit method, what we need to do is like so. We need to find the ID and send it back into the view. So we can do like so. We can proceed like this, but into our edit method. So let's save this. Tag equals tag, find it by the ID. When we are sending it, we are passing it in. Okay, it looks fine. It looks fine. Let's save this. In our update method, what we need to do is to basically dollar tag is, again we need to find it, is tag find by the ID, by the dollar ID, and in here we need to validate once again this, and yeah, we can paste it from here. Return, let's copy this, and it's very much the same. It's very much the same. This, we're validating it, and first of all we need to find it. Yes, first we need to find tag, and let's copy this also, and the dollar this, we're finding it, we're validating it by the array. It's a max 255, the name, and right here tag, we don't need this of course, and what we need more, save, we are redirecting into our routes. That looks fine. And in the destroy method, what we need to do is to make like this, dollar tag equals to tag, and find it by the ID, by the dollar ID in here. And let's say in our post we need to detach. That's not going to work right now, but rest assured it will work, because we need to add a couple more things into our models and such. So what we need to do is to say like something like that, dollar tag posts. This posts method is going to be a method inside of the posts model. So we will do this, don't worry. Detach will basically say to delete the tags that are associated with the specific post. So we will do this, dollar tag, we will continue. Destroy is a nice method, destroy by the dollar ID, and we need to redirect them. Let's redirect them over here. We can copy this from here, and we can save this. Okay, what we need more, we are using our tag. Let's say we need to also use our post, use app slash post, save this. Okay, in here what we want to do, we can close this for now. In our tag model, what we need to do is to basically make a posts function. So let's say function will be, let's say as we wrote it, it's going to be posts. The value in here, we don't need this. Okay, in here, this is basically returning, yes, our post, our designated post. So dollar this equals to, let's say, belongs to many. It's a belong to many relationship. So from our app slash post, that looks okay. And what we also need is to go into our post model, and in here we need to make an additional function. So let's make it like so. Function will be in here, be tags, so it can relate to that specific tag. And in the tags we need to return let's see, dollar this belongs to many, belongs to many, it belongs to many tags. So a post can belong to many tags. So app slash tag does this and belongs to many. Okay, that looks fine. Here are tags, belongs to many. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, so what we need to do next is to go into our post controller, and we need to use also because we are displaying the tags in our post, we need to use the tags. So use the app tag, and we need to add a couple things into our functions. In the create method, what we need to do is to basically say let's say dollar tags, no sorry, no capitals in here, dollar tags equals to tag, and what I want is all of the tags, so tag all, and okay, we need to pass it now uh, into our posts. So compact, and let's say tags, so tags, and that looks okay. What we also need to do is let's see, in our store function, what we need to do, let's see, do we need to add anything, do we need to add anything, nope, I don't think we need to. In our show method, okay, that looks fine. In our edit method, what we also need, we need to pass also the tags. So basically, let's go over here in our show, our edit, dollar post, and let's say tags, and let's pass them to our tags too. So tags, and needs to be inside of this. Okay, put this S, and in the update function, what we basically need to do, let's see, I think we have our title, flag, and body. Okay, we're finding it. Okay, okay, that looks fine. We need to add our tags right over here. Let's say okay. Okay, in here, what we basically want to do after we save the post, yes, we need to find out if there is a tag. So let's say let's make an if statement, a simple if statement. If is set for dollar request, if the request has tags, basically what we need to do, let's open up this. So dollar post, I'm gonna show you the tags. The tags, what the tags is the function that we made in the post model. So it's gonna go into here. This will go over the tags and see if there is any tags in this specific request. So if there is a tag, we need to sync it in with our post. So basically, let's say sync. Laravel is a very progressive framework, and it's fluent with what we want to do. So dollar request with the tags, and tell the truth. This is basically it. If oh, we need to do if is set else tag sync an array and an empty array, of course. So if and else, if we don't need the if we don't have any tags, so post tag, let's copy this in here, and tags and sync it with an empty array. So array, no sorry, array and empty array. So because it can't really be empty, so it needs to be with an to sync it with something. So in here basically this is okay. In our destroy function, what we need to do is to detach our tags. So after we have find the ID, we need to do is to detach the post. So dollar post is let's say with the tags. Yes, the tags function. We need to detach it. Detach by the let's say detach it. Okay, tags and detach. Okay, this looks pretty fine. That looks pretty fine. Redirect us into here, into our index. Okay. So, what we need to do next? Let's find out. Let's find out. What we need to do is to make another migration. That migration is going to consist of a specific convention, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, in here let's make a migration. So PHP artisan make migration make migration. Let's name it create. We are creating a post tag table. So create post tag table, and the table is let's see will be a post tag. I think that's like this, the post tag. Let's see. Too many arguments. Command name create post tag. Oh, I think like so, and enter. Yes, the migration was created. Don't forget this double dashes because we are creating our table. So in our where is it? In our database, as you can see, it's created this nice little boilerplate. So in here, let's say dollar table increments on the ID. This is basically the ID of that column. Increments and dollar table, and let's say integer integer on post id. You need to follow a convention on this. Post id, and it's unsigned, and in here dollar table, and the foreign key, we are making basically a foreign key and linking it into our post id. So integer the post id foreign, let's say for foreign on our post id. Yes, it refers references the id, column on posts, and let's say on delete, let's say cascade, like so, and let's copy this and paste it here. In here, post id, that will be tag id. It will be unsigned, and references id on tags, and the tag id references the id on tags, and let it cascade, and schema drop if exist, schema function down, let's see. We basically don't need this. We are drop if exists let's say post tag, so the name of this table. We're dropping it now. Drop if exists. Yes, that looks fine. This is the table, this is the id, okay, post id, and what we need to do now is to migrate it. PHP artisan migrate. Let's see, doesn't exist. Alter table. Okay, the mistake was that when we made this command, basically we didn't we referred to an existing table, and we don't have an existing table in here, but we can change this immediately, because we want to create a table. It's not an existing table, we want to create this table, and drop if exist, that's okay. And right now let's try and make it like so, and let's migrate it now, and create post table, and it migrated. Okay, let's go into our database, let's refresh, and the post tag, as you can see, it goes straight in here, and we have our id, our post id, and our tag id. So what else do we need right now? Let's see. Okay, let's finish up the tags. Let's make let's see what we need to do here. Our tags consist of index and show and basically an edit method. So let's make it like so. Let's save it and let's call it edit edit.blade.php. And what we need to do is to go see show edit and in our index .blade.php of our tags, let's okay, edit, let's copy all of this and let's paste it here. And we need to do what we need to do. Okay, we can delete this. We can delete this. Let's say yes, we don't need to show everything in here. In here, what we basically want to do is the route of this will go into our tags.update and the right here it automatically creates us this, but we don't want this. In here, what we want to do is to make a method field of put. We are typing in it to make it put, but don't forget this method post. So in here, let's see what we need to change. Okay, let's see. Let's say update tag. It's a submit button. We have this, and the placeholder. Let's say a nice little thing. It's required, and the placeholder will be in double curly braces, like so. Will be $tag and the name, like this. And okay, date. Okay, I think it's good. Mhm. Let me look. Okay, let's save this and let's see what we have right now. So I want to make a new oh, we didn't add it to the post. So okay, so what we need to do is to go into our post and into our create post. We need to add that the options to create the post, the tags. So let's say, I don't know, wherever you want. Let's just say after the body. Let's copy this one and let's paste it here with some space. And okay, in here forms, let's change it into tags. Okay, what else? Tag for tags and tags label tags. And so this tags and tags, and the if what we basically want the name because it is a multiple choice of oh, and of course that's not, that's a select button, select right here, and after this class from control, and we need to make it also select, select like so, and the id is tags. Let's see, the class is form control, okay, and the name you need to give it an array like this, and like so. Let's make it like so, and it's not required because it's not an input field, it's a select field. Okay, tags, the name not in here, in here the tags. Let's save this. Okay, this looks okay. And copy this, copy, and in our edit .blade.php from our post, after the body we also need this. So what we want is to, let's see, let me see, let me see, let me see, put, and okay, okay, that looks fine, this also looks fine. The value okay, let me see, let me see here, right here, in here, yes, sorry, after this, let me look, after the select, what we basically want to do is to add the option for displaying all of the tags that we have chosen. So basically for each loop should fix this, for each dollar tags as dollar tag, and after this we want an option is in here, and the option, the value of this, no sorry, the value will be in double curly braces, like this will be the dollar tag id, and in here will be dollar tag name. So this should work, and let's end the for each at end for each. Okay, this looks fine, this looks okay, but this needs to be inside of the select. Control X, like this option in the select, after this and the for each, and let's end the select in here, and let's move into our create. Let's see if we need to change it in here too. For each create, yep, it's basically needs to be the same. So let's copy this from here, like so. From the edit, copy, create. This is the tags. Let's delete this and let's move on like so. Tags like this. Okay. Okay. Names, create option, and the value is like this. Okay, let's find out. Go into our index page, and we haven't added the post. Let's say post create, and we can first of all let's choose let's say tags slash create. Oh, method in the tag controller. Oh, because we have deleted it. It's tags index. Tags in here. Oh, I see this once again. Okay, let's go over here inside our see edit and index in here. Okay, okay, let's go over here and refresh this. Let's add a tag, say Laravel. Make new tag, and as you can see, it showed up in here, and it is in zero post. We didn't have the post, but it works very nicely. In here, what I want you to do is to go into our post create, and you can see that the tag has been added in here. So what we want to do is to did we add it into our we will find out. Trying tags and tags, and in here let's say our body, the first tag, and let's choose Laravel and make post. In here, as you can see, first tag. Okay, we didn't add it to this well. So in our show dot inside of our post and show, in here created that, and let's see, horizontal we have like this, and in here what we want to do is to add our tag. So let's say let's copy this, and the bottom of this updated it, and after the slag, let's see. Okay, after this let's add our, okay, like so, and let's say tags, and in here what we want to do is to basically have a for each loop. Okay, this looks fine. Inside of here, like so, and at for each, inside of this for each, what we want is to $post and tags as $tag, and in here let's create a little span let's give it a class of label, and label default like so, and inside here let's make an anchor tag, and the route href would be our route of tags.show show, okay, with the dollar tag id inside of here. After this, let's make it a nice style of let's say color will be red, and after this let's see what we have, and basically the name of the, let's see if that added anything, dollar tag name. This should work quite nicely. After this, let's end the for each at end for each, and let's go back here and refresh. Tags, why it doesn't slag tags? Okay, in here, yes, we don't have anything in here because we didn't add anything. So what's going on? Double curly braces inside of our a, and the tag name tags.show. Okay, this looks fine. This also looks fine. Dollar post tags as tag. Okay. Okay. I've seen a couple of mistakes that I've done. Basically, let's go over them. In here, first of all, what I want you to do is to go into your B folder in our views, and into our swa.php, and this is our front end interface, so the users don't need to have the ability to see, and to see these kind of things, to delete or edit the posts. So what we're going to do is to delete all this, delete this, like this, and okay. And in our show.blade.php, what we want to do, first of all, the color, I've changed it into white, and where is it, in our tags edit, yes, in our tags edit, where is it, tags.edit, required, and the placeholder is this, the value. Okay, in the post edit.blade.php, what you need to do is to add this multiple equals to multiple, and also in the show, yes, as I said, I've changed it to this, and in the create .blade.php, you also need to have where is it, multiple equals to multiple, and the value, all of these should remain the same exactly as it is right now. So take a look at this, and in here let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, right here there is a tags and set the travel. I've added a couple more things, and when I press edit there is this multiple. Later on we will add a little script, a little add-on script that we can make it very nice. So basically, if I want to add something, you press shift and travel, let's say like so, and update the post, and it will update the post. In here you can say method field call to undefined function, method field, okay. It's a typo. Call to undefined function method field. It's in our show, if I'm not mistaken, right in here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Route. Where are you? Method. Where was it? Call to undefined function in the tags and show. Let's see. Tags and show method. That's it. Method field. And that should work nicely. In here, obviously, we will not be showing this to the users also, but we will hide it using some method. And for this video we are done. Let's try to create one more post. Let's see. Localhost slash post slash create, and title second try with tags slags second tags body just like so. Make sure everything is working correctly. Let's resolve this, make the post, and it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Let me look. If we'll do a refresh, let me see what it gives us. In our show .blade.php of our post, let me see. Okay, in our next video we are going to fix this, so don't worry about that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.